Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect to TeamViewer. So let's get us started. Open TeamViewer on both your device and the device you want to connect to. Ensure that both devices have TeamViewer running. On the device you want to connect to, note down the TeamViewer partner ID and password. This information is essential for establishing the connection. On your device, enter the partner ID provided by the other person in the partner ID field in your TeamViewer interface. After entering the partner ID, click on Connect. You will be prompted to enter the password for the remote device. Input the password provided by the other person. Once the correct password is entered, TeamViewer will attempt to establish the connection. Once connected, you will have remote access to the other device. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.